10 minutes later, the bedroom's basically done. I just need to vacuum all of it now and just shut the drawers, but vacuum all of it, and then I'm gonna take my gym clothing into the next room, and that's where we're going to work out. That's what we're gonna clean up next. So let's vacuum this, and then we are going to go into the workout room and kind of clean that up. When I mean that my dog is shedding like crazy, this is what I mean, because I honestly brushed her on Saturday, like a full-on brush to get like a ton of fur off, and I actually vacuumed my room 5 days ago. And this is what I'm dealing with because it won't go in the vacuum because it's still full of hair. I am dealing with just so much fur. You can see it here, and you can see it all on the floor along there. Just remember, if you're gonna get a German Shepherd, this is what's gonna happen. I have her groomed every 3 months, and I brush her every month, and I vacuum at least once a week. And this is still what happens. Okay, so here I have some clothing. I need to put all that away, kind of fix whatever is up there, and then I need to vacuum everything and wipe up this mat. So no, not a ton, but I mean, it needs to be done. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This is kind of like the hallway or cubby or something up here, so I'm going to just vacuum all of this, vacuum Owen's office, and then we're gonna move in to the bathroom. Yay. To empty out my boyfriend's office because apparently he hasn't done that yet. Are all boys like this, or is it just mine? And that's not an office, that's a gaming room. Just to be clear. Now to the bathroom. I clean this, whoa, there's the sun. I clean this once a week, so it shouldn't be too bad. Just kind of a quick vacuum and wipe down. So let's do that. Okay, now for the shower bathtub. I hate them. I want a stand-up shower. I was against it for a while, but I want a stand-up shower. They get so dirty so quickly, and they're so much harder to clean because they're so much bulky and chunkier. I'm gonna be spraying it down, and then I'm gonna hose it down with water. And that's all I'm gonna do, because I do this every week, and then typically once a month I give it a really good scrub. So I'm honestly just going to spray it and hose it, because I just get so tired of this shower slash bathtub because they're so much harder to clean. So spray, hose down, moving on to the downstairs. And I've been trying this. It's a foam. It's really, really good. I'm gonna make a video soon, but yeah. So I'm gonna spray all of this and then hose it down. I hate the bathtub. That's about that for me. Finished another bottle of cleaner. Not surprised. Done. 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 So, just gonna replace my face cloth because I like to do that about once a week. And a new hand towel. There we go. So now I have dishes to bring down. So these are actually for like when I do vinyl so that I can flatten everything. They have felt on the end so it doesn't scratch vinyl. Have to bring those down. These I don't want, they don't fit me. A receipt, some laundry, the vacuum, an empty thing of that. Downstairs, I can't wait for this to go in the basement. Once the storage room is kind of cleared out, it's more of a junk room. I actually have a handful of clothing to put away because I found that in my workout room. So I'm going to do that quickly and then we're going to go downstairs. How's your day going? Good? Okay. So, I literally just vacuumed the other day and there's hair. Hair. So I need to vacuum all of my stairs going up there, and I need to finish these rails. Alright, so upstairs, check, done. Now, this bathroom is a very, very easy because it's just me who uses it, and it's actually pretty simple. Just need to put some towels up, wipe it down, this clean sink, wipe down the mirror, just wipe everything down, but it's a lot easier because it's just me who uses it and there's no bathtub, so that's great. So I'm gonna do that and then we can move on to vacuuming everything else up. I have the living room to do, I've got the dining room to do, and I've got, the sun is bright, the kitchen. The kitchen. So I've got quite a bit more work to do. Then we hit the basement, which is my working zone, so that definitely needs a cleaning. But I think for right now, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna make a TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. There we go. So, sitting down, having lunch. I'm just finishing some pasta, some chicken fingers, some corn. Kind of just threw whatever I had on a plate to eat for lunch. I'm very hungry. I think my corn is still froze. I think we'll find out soon enough. My hair. There we go. And then I'm going to finish the main floor. See about the downstairs today because I'm getting very tired of cleaning. I made 3 TikToks today, so make sure to go check out my TikTok. And yeah, so I'll see you when I'm done eating. So I need to switch these blankets. They're very dirty. This one I use, and Scarlett jumps up, looks out the window. That one she lays on and chews her bone, so this is dirty too. I'm gonna plug the Christmas tree in. I need to vacuum here. I also need to wipe the window. It's a weekly thing. Actually, it could be a daily thing because Scarlett jumps up on the couch, goes and puts her nose all over the window. So I need to clean that. So I would like to clean up this floor before Owen comes back. My camera battery is dying, so let's do this very quickly. so while the battery was charging, I decided to do some dishes, wipe down the countertops. I have a few things here that need to go downstairs, a few more things to clean up in the kitchen, and then we're gonna go downstairs. I don't know how much I'm gonna do down there today. I would like to do some and get everything ready to paint railing. So I have all of this to put away. I have cleaned off the rest of the countertops. I have some dishes to put away, and then that'll be that. And then we can go downstairs. I'm gonna film as much as I can and do as much as I can, and then when he gets back, we may actually have candles to make because I think my essential oils are coming in today, so we'll see. But anyway, let's finish cleaning up the kitchen. So all of this can go downstairs. This isn't empty, actually. This is to be put away. That needs to be cleaned. This needs to be cleaned. This stuff can go downstairs. I also made this one here for my grandma. She's going to be 93, I think. So I decided to put her initials on a mug on both sides. It's a nice small mug for her for Christmas. I showed you guys this one earlier, just says rough day. Favorite sangria ever, but this one is for Owen's mom. So all of that's got to go downstairs. This I need to clean up, put away. Need a new dishcloth, put those away. I have mentioned this many times, but having a spot for like extra rags, paper towels, cleanser, and like a dirty basket in your kitchen is so helpful. But here we go, all clean. So excited. I just cleaned that. I hope you're comfortable. So now for the part that really needs to be cleaned up. This is my working, filming, crafting area. This is where everything gets done. It's so messy. Here we go. Here we go. This is everything that I need to tidy up. Like some stuff I just brought down here quickly, but that was when I filmed my empties video. I have makeup from today. I have my crafting things from yesterday. I have a scrunchie I need to sew, fabric I need to go through, and we're gonna see how far I go with it. And if I get frustrated and tired, it'll be okay. I can finish it another day because I already did the 2 top levels on my house. Now just for my own mess. Oh my goodness. I ended up painting my nails. I used this color here from Essie. Honestly, this is 3 years old. I don't think there's very much left in here, and it's a hit or miss, so I've been trying to use this probably for 2 to 3 months straight now. Like, I've been really trying to finish this, so hoping by the end of December I'll be able to finish it. You can see a line right there. It's getting close to the bottom. It's getting pretty dry, so I did a quick nail painting as I was kind of cleaning. So, yeah, not looking too bad now. I think that's going to be it for today. I have a few more things that I could clean. Like, honestly, there's still some stuff I could do, but I'm just so tired of cleaning. I feel like I made really good progress. I cleaned everything I needed to. I emptied the vacuum 3 times. I have a little box of declutter things. Like, I think I did good for today. I hope this video motivated you or inspired you to clean. I know sometimes we need a quick little pickup, so I hope that this maybe motivated you or inspired you to clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go check out those TikToks. I made 3 of them today. I may make a 4th. I am uploading every other day until Christmas, so I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.